think the one thing that everybody should know about AlumiPlate is we are the only pure aluminum electroplating facility on the globe.
If you introduce a coating of high purity aluminum on steel to any engineer, they don't need to know anything about our business. Oh, I get it. That's corrosion protection, and it's non-toxic, it's environmentally friendly, and we've shown that it's high performance.
Aluminum is an element, and it has elemental properties.
Electroplating is the only way where you can get pure, thick, and dense aluminum. So if your application calls for pure aluminum, thick aluminum, dense aluminum, really the only way to do that is to use electroplating. Today, AlumiPlate is helping customers in a wide variety of industries. Our principal ones are semiconductor, aerospace, general corrosion.
We plate parts that go on to airplanes that are sitting on the deck of a carrier. There's also chemical environment corrosion. And aluminum does very well in the presence of hot fluorine gas. That's a common gas used in semiconductor processing. Some of our customers use aluminum for the surfaces of high-end optical applications.
We're the best solution for protecting steel.
It is the best coating to protect the mechanical properties of landing gear in aircraft because of the hydrogen embrittlement sensitivity of very, very strong steels. And landing gear uses the most highly engineered and strongest steel on Earth.
Aluminum is a superconductor at cryogenic temperatures, so we're involved in quantum computing.
We can cool our coating down on a copper. It bonds well the copper into the polyamide substrate so it doesn't fall apart at 1 degree Kelvin.
We have niche applications for thermal systems, for optical systems. There are so many industries that could benefit from aluminum plating that we don't know what they are. We haven't found them. They're going to find us in some cases.
AlumiPlate aluminum is a drop-in replacement for cadmium. Cadmium is used primarily in aerospace. It's been the traditional corrosion protection on steel, but Congress mandated its elimination.
Cadmium is a heavy metal. It's a wonderful corrosion coating, but unfortunately with cadmium, the byproduct is a carcinogen. There's absolutely a market for hazardous coating replacement, and we've done a lot of that work.
It's been my pleasure to be in compliance with environmental rules and regulations that I helped put in place.
The main thing that makes AlumiPlate successful, I believe, is our ability to work with the customer and figure out what they need and what aluminum in its elemental form can deliver.
We'll work very closely with the customers to develop a spec or to develop a coating that will achieve what the customer is looking for.
We obviously like as big a volume as we can get, and we surprise people with what volumes, number of parts we can produce a month.
So part of the collaboration is not that we are selling a coating. The collaboration is that you get a bunch of engineers in the room, talk about the problem that you want to solve, and you roll up your sleeves and you have a technical discussion to come up with the coating solution that's going to work.
There's lots of small and medium-sized components that would benefit from our coating.
The uniqueness about it is we can electroplate aluminum. Our process is very stable. We can plate complicated geometries. We can anodize our surface, and we don't embrittle.
Farthest we've reached is Mars. For an engineer to say, I got a little piece of my product on the surface of Mars, that's a big deal. The most important thing is a high purity electroplated aluminum coating is available.